Accounts receivable factoring. Basically, to qualify for accounts receivable factoring, in most companies you have to be an established organization. This does not mean that you have to be in business for, 10s or 20 years. It just means that you have to be an established company with at least a minimum of $50,000 a month revenue for most organizations. With the Interface Financial Group, we only require $20,000 a month in revenue. In addition to that, for accounts receivable factoring, you do need to have an established accounts receivable with more than one customer in most cases. Some factoring companies are willing to accept one customer. Most of the time you need to have 3 or 4 in order to be qualified. You also need to have a viable business model, which means that you need to have financials. And I don't know how many times I've had situations come up with companies that haven't started doing their financials or don't keep track of them on a regular basis. In order to be qualified, you will need that information. And remember, as you move forward and become qualified for bank loans, this is also information you will need for that purpose. So get those balance sheets, income statements, accounts receivable aging, accounts payable aging reports in order so that you can be more prepared for when you do need that kind of funding or financing.